Okay, so here is, I'm sure you all know this Christmas hat, and we've had it for years. So I decided to refurbish it. I've used damp cloth to clean all around because of the dust. Then I washed the feathers, and now I want to put the feathers back. So just in case you have a Christmas hat and it has gotten all so old and doesn't look good anymore, this is the way you refurbish it. As I said, you take off the feathers first of all from the hat. Okay? Once you take off the hat, you take a damp cloth, a little soap, and you clean up the... Okay, I need to get some more glues. Okay, let me pause the video. That's the way you stick in your new glue. Alright, so as I was saying, so you take a damp cloth. I should have shown you that, but actually this I think I already did last year in preparation, but I don't know what happened. We didn't get to use the hat. I didn't get to finish the hats. Yeah, I think we still had the carol service, but I didn't get to do the hats. But I'd already washed them already with damp cloth and soap, and I'd washed the feathers. The feathers, you dip it inside water. Don't worry, it will all dry up. You think, oh, you've lost your feathers, but don't be worried at all, because by the time it dries up, it comes up back fluffy. So you wash it, then you start gluing it back. So you don't have to throw your old Christmas hats away, those hats that they sell from the market. This I bought from the market like that, or I should say my husband did buy it. Shit, who got it? I don't know how we got it. I cannot remember. So anyway, so that's how you refurbish your hat. I will pause because I'm doing the same thing, and once I'm done, I will bring it back so you see how it comes out. See you soon. Okay, so there we go. The hat is ready for our carol service, and just in case we want to go red also Christmas Day, it is ready. The feathers are all neat and ready to go.